Have you ever wondered how to landscape with native plants? Landscaping with native flora is not only a sustainable choice, but it also brings a unique touch to your garden. This video will guide you through the process. Stay tuned as we dive into the details of landscaping with native plants. First things first, conduct a thorough research. Understanding local native plants, their preferred growing conditions, and benefits for local wildlife is key. This knowledge empowers you to cultivate a flourishing, sustainable garden. With the right knowledge, you can create a thriving, sustainable garden. Once you have your plant list, it's time to design. Consider the sunlight each plant needs, the type of soil it thrives in, and its water requirements. Position plants wisely to create a harmonious, sustainable garden. A good design is the backbone of a successful landscape. With a design in hand, you're ready to plant and maintain your landscape. Native plants are a delight because they require less upkeep. Water wisely, prune occasionally, and watch for pests. Remember, patience is key. It may take time, but the results will be worth it. Landscaping with native plants is not only beneficial but also rewarding. We've covered research, design, and maintenance, all while highlighting the value of local flora. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.